Well, good evening, OHS families. I'm Ann Wolstenholme, principal of Oneonta High School, and I'd like to welcome you to our annual OHS Undergraduate Awards Night. A couple little techie housekeeping things before we begin our program. I wanted to let you know that, one, this is going to be recorded and placed on the OHS webpage for your pleasure, so you can view that whenever you want after this is done. Some people weren't able to join us tonight, so they will be able to also view this recorded award ceremony. And then secondly, and maybe for some of you even more important, I can't see you. Okay, I cannot see my audience. I know you're out there, but really all you're going to be able to see are myself and the presenters here this evening and the slideshow that we have put together as a guide as we go through. So no stress out there. I know some of the young people were a little concerned that I was inviting them to a class tonight. Nope, not happening. This is all good. All right, so those are just the two tech things I wanted to get out of the way before we start, and now I will start. This is the night that we recognize the achievements of our students in grades 9, 10, and 11. And it's a very special night because this is not an easy thing to do, especially if I could just say the second half of this school year. So we are very excited to bring you a virtual recognition ceremony. And I have with me tonight Mrs. Rossi, Mrs. Lynch, Miss Lynch, Mr. Mushtair, Mrs. Pierce, Mrs. LeBrew, Mrs. Spalding, Mr. Kaschek, and Mr. Ballard. And we're all here to, again, recognize you. And without further ado, I am going to turn the first English slide over to Mrs. Rossi.
Academic excellence in English is what I'll be presenting this evening. For English 9, Jordan Forbes. For English 10, Haley Utter. For English 10A, we have Stephen Baker, Caitlin Brislin. For English 11, we have Michaela Wett. And for English 11A, Eva Barbario and Ian House. And now I turn things over to Ms. Kathy Lynch, who will share the social studies academic excellence.
The Academic Excellence Awards in Social Studies are Global 9, Jordan Forbes. Global 10, Gabriella Regazine and Brooke Burrows. Global 10A, Carter Mackey. In U.S. History, Maximilian Madej. In AP U.S. History, Eva Bombario. I would like to introduce Mr. John Mushtair, who will be presenting the awards for academic excellence in science.
The award winners for academic excellence in science: for physical science, Jessica Philippi; Science 9, June Da Lee; Earth Science R, Ava Palm Leon; for biology, Tyler Ives and Kyler Tavarone; for biology R, Olivia Hackenberry; for biology A, Jordan Forbes; in chemistry, Cole Platt; chemistry R, Chow Lin; and chemistry A, Stephen Baker. Next, we will have Carol Pierce for mathematics.
Good evening. It is my privilege to announce this year's Academic Excellence Awards in Mathematics. These students have each earned the highest average in their respective classes. For Algebra 1R, Eva Palm Leon. Algebra 1 Part 1, Lois Jellick. Algebra 1 Part 2, Nicholas Perez. Algebra 2, Christina Mannion. Algebra 2R, Sabrina Shanamonico. Algebra 2A, Gabriella Ragazine. Geometry, Cheyenne Bowman. Geometry R, Leah Wartendike. And Geometry A, Tiffany Gardner. Congratulations. I would now like to introduce Ms. LeBrew to present the World Language Awards.
Good evening. I'm honored to present the awards for the highest averages in the world language classes. For Spanish 2, we have Luis Bonici. Spanish 3 is Kylie Burrows, Jessie Castillo Cruz, Naomi Cook, Gabriela Ragozin, Sabrina Shanamonico. For French 2, we have Anna Delberta. French 3 is Natalia Ligname. For German 2, we have Hua Sui. German 3 is Julia Babaratsky and Alexandra Murphy. Congratulations, everyone. And now I turn it over to Mrs. Beth Spalding for Fine Arts.
Good evening. It is my pleasure to give you the Academic Excellence in Art Awards this evening. For 9th grade, Shaylee Saylor. For 10th grade, Marilyn Woodcock. And for 11th grade, Alexandra Murphy. Congratulations. And now I would like to introduce Mr. Chris Kaschek from our guidance department this evening.
Good evening. I'm pleased to present the Academic Excellence in Career Technology and Robotics Awards. First is Academic Excellence in Career Technology. The first award is the Excellence in Family and Consumer Science, which goes to Jordan Forbes. The second award is the Excellence in Technology, goes to Magdalena Nealis. And the Excellence in Business goes to Chris Caton. Congratulations, everybody. The next award is a robotics award. The Underclassmen Leadership Award is given by the robotics team for strength of character and leadership abilities. This student is always challenging herself, has a positive attitude, and is a natural leader. This award tonight, the Underclassmen Leadership Award, goes to Elizabeth Brantley. Congratulations.
Yeah.
Next, I would like to introduce Assistant Principal Joe Ballard, who will be recognizing the honor roll recipients.
Good evening. The students that I'm going to list off on our high honor roll and honor roll have held this honor for the first 3 quarters of the school year. We'll start with the class of 2023 high honor roll. Louis Benici, Malia Brockington, Owen Burnsworth, Anne-Marie Kratz, Hua Sui, Anna Delberta, Leighton Eastman, Jordan Forbes, Brandon Gardner, Tiffany Gardner, Liam Marlette, Magdalena Nealis, Finley Oliver, Eva Palmleon, Saban Schumann, Garrett Seeley, Cormac Seeger, Owen Schultz, Bria Truesdale, and Max Wilms. Now the class of 2023 honor roll. Noah Ash, Sadie Baskin, Dakota Buzzy, Jesse Castillo Cruz, Megan Cleveland, Valeria Cruz, Cassandra Dom, Madeline Denning, Aiden Delanoy, Ella Fiani, Caitlin Fro, Evan Gould, Devin Grace, Isabella Gracias, Caden Halstead, and Sarah Henley. Tanner Jennings, Nicholas Call, Katie Lewis, Emily Lobb, Peyton Mackey, Emily Morell, Joseph Musa, Anna Norlander, Abigail Platt, Brayton Seymour, Simone Schumann, Tyler Shaughnessy, Anya Sloth, Amaya Spoor, and Tyler Zakala. Now the class of 2022 High Honor Roll. Julia Babaratsky, Stephen Baker, Elise Bechtold, Caitlin Brislin, Elizabeth Brantley, Kylie Burrows, Carlene Irby, Gwendolyn Hilson, Angeline McGraw, Gabriella Ragazine, Haley Utter, and Leah Wartendike. Class of 2022 Honor Roll. Anna Bischoff, Emma Bitterman, Brooke Burrows, Maximilian Gelbsman, Annalise Grant, Olivia Hackenberry, Madeline Hanson, Carter Mackey, Logan Monroe, Carter Neer, Ava Nunez, Randy Odago, Emma Peters, Mackenzie Pierce, Julia Risberger, Natalie Thompson, Dylan Turley, and Emily Z. Class of 2021 High Honor Roll. Eva Barbario, Naomi Cook, Allison Arario, Molly Forbes, Ian House, Natalia Legname, Chow Lin, Eden Mackey, Maximilian Madej, Alexandra Murphy, Robert Murray, Iris Poon, Sabrina Shanamonico, Rebecca Zimmer.
Oh,
Class of 2021 Honor Roll. Jasmine Bonadies, Dylan Button, Annika Buzzy, Elizabeth Dixon, Cadence Dudley, Adriana Dugan, Samantha Ficano, Jenna Gaisford, Elise Gould, Ronan Gould, Abigail Gracie, Quinn Hansen, Hannah Johnson, and Julia Johnson. Hannah Kiovalente, Andrew Lentner, Emily Lincoln, Marty Mahar, Christina Mannion, Dylan Marlette, Ryan Miller, Will Moody, Emily Moore, Thadia Musa, Autumn Nealis, Logan Parmenter, Laszlo Peters, Ekaterina Purview, Tanner Russin, Madison Stanley, Willow Sunderland, Michaela Webb, and Shay Wartendike. And now I'm going to turn the program back over to Mrs. Ann Wolstenholme for the Community Bank Awards.
I just get so excited. You know, I'm so excited to celebrate all of you. So I just want to clap all the time over here. Community Bank Awards are given to students who receive the highest overall average for the first 3 quarters of the 2019-20 school year. Our freshmen, the class of 2023, Louis Benici, Jordan Forbes, Tiffany Gardner, and Leah Marlette. The class of 2022, our sophomore recipients are Stephen Baker, Elizabeth Brantley, Caitlin Brislin, and Gabriella Ragozin. Our junior class of 2021, Allison Arario, Ian House, Maximilian Madej, and Alexandra Murphy. Congratulations to all of you for this great honor. You know, if we were all together in that air-conditioned auditorium, which I really wish we were, we would have seen each of you come up, and we would have handed these awards to you, and we sincerely do miss that piece, and we miss seeing all of you out there. But let me just end by saying that I have so much admiration for you students and for those in your homes who are supporting your efforts. You juggle a great deal in your lives, and you're able to do all of these wonderful things. And so I herald you for that. I am so very proud of you, as I'm sure all of your teachers are, and certainly your parents and your families are. And especially in the wake of this last part of our school year, with some of the more challenging obstacles and things you've had to handle along with us. We are so grateful, and we're very, very proud of you. And I hope that you have an excellent summer, which doesn't start, by the way, for a couple of weeks. So give me a couple more weeks, okay? But I just wanted to let you know, because I probably won't see you, to wish you that. But thank you so much for joining us tonight. Thank you for your support, and have a great evening. Thank you so much.